You're at CES checking out the latest in Android Auto and cars with Google built in. Today, I'm rolling in the all-electric Ford Mustang Mach-E with Android Auto.
And I'll be in the Polestar 3 showing you all the slayest features in cars with Google built in. Yep, 2 cars, 2 experiences. You're in for a double feature.
Nice wheels, Trey. Okay, guys, let's hit the road. I have a special guest in the passenger seat.
Hi, I'm Gumi Kim, and I lead product and UX for Android for Cars.
I'm so excited to see all these new Android Auto features. I live in LA. I'm sure you're aware. There's a lot of traffic in that city. It's a lot of sitting in my car, and not to toot my own horn, but I'm very booked. I'm busy. So are there some features that can help me stay productive on the go?
Yes, absolutely. So we know that people want to do a lot in the car, and Android Auto is designed to help you focus on the road while getting things done. So for example, you can use your voice to send or reply to text messages. You can make calls to people via WhatsApp, and you can even join scheduled meetings via audio on things like WebEx by Cisco, and there's more coming soon.
So when I think about electric cars, the first thing that comes to mind is parking and charging, always worrying about that battery. Are there any features that can help me keep my car charged up?
Yes, Google Maps can help you incorporate charging stops along your route and can predict what your battery level is going to be once you arrive at your destination.
That is so cool! I think you have a meeting with Trey in the Polestar 3, so I'm gonna drop you off right here.
Thanks.
Hey, thanks for speaking with me, Gumi. I'm so excited to hear more about Google built-in features in the Polestar 3.
Well, thanks for having me, Trey.
So I'm constantly waiting for my friends when they said they'd be ready 30 minutes ago. How can Google help with that?
Yes, there are lots of times when we're waiting, whether that's at curbside pickup, waiting for your order, or charging your EV even. You can watch streaming videos while in the car parked. We have apps like YouTube, Tubi, Prime Video, and more coming soon. And actually, we're really excited to announce that we now have PBS KIDS and Crunchyroll.
Okay, that is amazing. But let's say, what if I didn't want to sit and watch something? I'm a very busybody, so I'm looking for something a wee bit more interactive.
Yeah, that's fair. So we just announced that Chrome is available in cars in beta. And so if you wanted to look at your saved bookmarks, check out the news, or do some online shopping, you can do it right here in the car. We also have lots of cool games you can play, so check those out.
Love that. Thank you so much for your time.
Of course.
All right, guys, we're off on the rest of our CES road trip, but don't forget to check out the rest of our CES POV videos on our channel.
Skirt, skirt.